there in Brussels. It's non-government that was in 1973 created by 21 presidents, rectors of technical universities, and right now we have 41 countries, more than 300 members, institutional members, but also private members can also be part of this European Society of Engineering Education. And only talking about engineering education, 103 institutions. So we have companies, we have institutional members, and faculties and universities around not only Europe, also around the world. Our aim, improve European higher engineering education. In, of course, to establish better links between our engineers and the companies. Very, very important. 4 different members. A couple of you that have idea of the society, maybe for some of you it's new. Institutions, individuals, companies, and related members, and our corporate partners, Dassault System for engineers, very important, MathWorks, National Instruments, and Gran. We have several working groups. I'm going to give you brief information later on concerning our working groups. I'm also the coordinator, the chair of one of the 12. We have 12 different working groups, and it's open. Everyone is invited to participate. Some concepts here: university business cooperation, open and online engineering education. The chair of this one, open and online engineering education, is one professor from Delft University. They are experts in this field. Engineering education and mathematics is one of the most active working groups in the society, and many more. Our annual conference, since 1973, we have the list of the annual conference. The recent one was last year in Azores in Portugal. In September this year, I think will be one of the most important annual conference from the European Society due to 2 different reasons. The first one is that our past president is from that university, from DTU in Copenhagen, in Denmark. And he's trying to make something to remember. The second one is the working group. We are trying to restart, begin from the very beginning, again, working together, trying to improve the engineering education. And next year, with this topic, creativity, innovation, and entrepreneurship for excellence, will be in Budapest. Okay, so you know it. Some of us will be there. Yeah. In fact, last week I was in the United States, but my colleagues have been there in Budapest with Dr. Aniko Alman and trying to organize, because we received 300, 400 different papers from all around the world. Here the information for this one, but we have organizers here, so I think it's not necessary to spread this information. The publication that we have, the bi-monthly, the Journal of Engineering Education, this one. Several annual reports and special publication, position papers. Position papers for me, I think, is something important, because what we are trying in our institution around Europe is to use these position papers to tell how engineering education should be. An international group, like we have here right now, working together, cooperating together, and we think that a curriculum must be, for example, like this. And of course, we have also electronic newsletter. Sorry. This network is important for several things. The cooperation we have with the students, I'll show you later some information about this. the journals and all the publication we have. The annual conference is a whole week with good interchange and exchange and knowledge with people. But also this one. We have experience concerning EU projects, concerning international projects, concerning the budget, the work packages, the international partnership, and we can help you to be part of. I have an idea. I would like to develop a project concerning design engineering or concerning companies, private schools, families, and engineering, whatever. So we can help you create the partnership and to prepare a very good proposal. We have some good results. To find partners or to be a partner. This is some of our recent European Union projects. This one with Leuven, and this one, but many more. Our partnership and relations, of course, with the Council of Europe in Strasbourg and the European Commission, we cooperate quite a lot. In fact, we changed our headquarters from another area of Brussels to be in the core of the European Commission, in front of the European Commission, for cooperate and collaborate with them. And CEFI is also a founding member of the Network for Accreditation. The Dean's Council, we have another network only for deans. IFES is the International Federation of Engineering Education Societies, it's international, continuing and capacity building. Here very more. And in Latin America, we have good cooperation between our networks. One of our activities, mostly new, is the CEFI debates. We have several here from 2014 to last year. I think at the end of this month we have another one in Brussels. We create with our debates to make some kinds of environment concerning education. The activities for deans, I told you about this network. Created the network for deans only, the European Engineering Deans Council in 2011, 7 years ago, created for 35 deans of engineering faculties in Europe. I think, or we think in CEFI that is important because at the end, deans take decisions for the whole faculty. And sometimes they don't have time enough to be in this area, in this meeting, and so on. When we create the network, it's not necessary we have one a year. We have a personal meeting, but we work quite a lot. I'm a vice dean, I'm not a dean. I don't want to, in fact, I have enough. But it's important to be a member, and it's for free. So you can talk with your institution. You can contact Pedro or Professor Imre or directly to me to be part of this engineering council. Some of the activities for and at the end of this year in Norway, in Trondheim. Last year was in München, in Deutschland, and the year before, University College in London, United Kingdom. The topics for these 5 years are these 5. Altruistiveness. I was very surprised with the information I'm going to give you right now. At the end of last year, I was visiting the University Tokyo in Japan, and they are thinking about this, and they were pretty sure to make that girls pay 50% fees for engineering. It sounds crazy, but next academic year will be true. That was, I think, okay, they are going to do that. We was discussing this. Because engineering is not gender balanced. Not at all. It's our priority for us. In America, the same thing. No? It was last week, the same thing. girls, they don't want to study engineering. It was a traditional problem. Several more: employability, mobility, new technological contexts, and of course research, like this symposium. Here we have some of the institutions that we have a regular relationship: UNESCO, European Commission, and the Council, and MOU signed with this. BES is the Board of Engineering Students of Technology. European Students of Technology, sorry, not only engineering. It's the biggest student network. And we are also a founding member of the institution I told you before, and we also have good cooperation with ABIT, SCBase, Latin America. CESAR is for accreditation, and this one. The working groups: physics, mathematics, continuing engineering education and lifelong learning, sustainability, open and online education, I mentioned before about this, gender and diversity. We have a specific department for that, gender and diversity. Attractiveness, quality and accreditation, engineering skills, something important right now, ethics, engineering education research, and curriculum development. I am the chair of only this one. Summarizing, we have practical and specific values, of course the European dimension. This is, I think, important if you would like Copenhagen or in Budapest, now that we have organizers here. And that's enough. Thank you very much. It's the general idea of CEFI. Okay, I have 1 minute, but I would like to finish. That would be... Okay. I wanted to talk about this, but I will give information about one of the activities in CEFI we developed. We are creating a social robot concerning the European society for improving the teaching of education. But I would like to finish with this. You know this one? I hope so. This is the Sustainable Development Goals. I would like to take a look with you all, including you both. No poverty, zero hunger, good health and well-being, quality education, gender equality for the whole world, clean water and sanitation, affordable and clean energy, decent work and economic growth, industry, innovation and infrastructure, reduce inequality, sustainable cities and communities, responsible consumption and production, climate action, life below water, life on land, peace, justice, and a strong institution, partnership for the goals. 10 seconds. If we are not teaching, researching, collaborating, following these goals, we are in the wrong way. With our students, with our research groups, for me, this is mandatory. This is the future for 2030 from the UNESCO. 2030. 17 very clear, very general, and very powerful goals. We gotta teach and talk in coffee breaks, or I will be back in 48 hours following this. Okay? Now, thank you very much.